Vietnam, a land where ancient traditions and hypermodern cities collide. From the misty mountains in the north to the tropical waters in the south, Vietnam is at the top of every traveler's bucket list in 2026. But which places are truly worth your time? In this video, we'll take you through the absolute highlights of this incredible country. Let's dive in. Before we start, here is a quick pro tip. Getting into Vietnam is easier than ever. In 2026, the e-visa system is the way to go. Most travelers can apply online for a 90-day multi-entry visa. Make sure to use the official government website to avoid extra fees. And have your visa printed or saved on your phone before you land. Now let's head to our first stop. Your journey likely begins in the capital, Hanoi. It's an organized chaos that you won't find anywhere else in the world. Do not miss the Old Quarter, where every street is named after the craft historically practiced there. For a peaceful moment, visit Hon Kim Lake at sunrise to see the locals practicing Tai Chi. Just a few hours away lies the iconic Ha Long Bay. In 2026, more travelers are opting for luxury overnight cruises. If you want to avoid the crowds, look into Lan Ha Bay. It offers the same breathtaking limestone landscapes, but with a much quieter atmosphere. Often overlooked but absolutely essential is Ninh Binh. It's frequently called Ha Long Bay on land. Hop into a traditional rowing boat in Tam Kok or Trang An. And let the local rowers glide you through caves and past towering karst mountains. For the ultimate photo op, climb the 500 steps of Mua Cave for a panoramic view of the rice fields below. Heading down to central Vietnam, we find Hoi An. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is perhaps the most atmospheric place in the country. The ancient town is car-free, which is a welcome relief. Here, you can have a custom suit or dress made by world-class tailors in just 24 hours. At night, the city lights up with thousands of colorful lanterns. It is pure magic. If you're an adventurer, the northern mountains are your playground. The Ha Giang Loop is more popular than ever in 2026. It's a multi-day motorcycle trek through some of the most rugged and stunning mountain landscapes in Southeast Asia. If you prefer culture over adrenaline, head to Sapa. You can hike through iconic rice terraces and stay in a homestay with the local Hmong people. We finish our tour in the south. Ho Chi Minh City, formerly known as Saigon, is the country's economic engine. Visit the War Remnants Museum for a deep dive into history, or enjoy the views from one of the many rooftop bars. Finally, explore the Mekong Delta. Known as the Rice Bowl of Vietnam, life here revolves around the water. Visit the floating markets of Can Tho to see the authentic daily life of the locals. Vietnam is a country that steals your heart. Whether you come for the food, the history, or the nature, it never disappoints. Which of these places is at the top of your list? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guides. See you in the next one.